Hello, a very good morning to everyone, my dear students. In the last class year, we have already discussed how to solve an equations. Okay, dear, by applying any operations. Operations mean dear, we can add both sides same number, or we can subtract same number on both sides, or we can multiply or divide both side by non-zero numbers. We can use any operation and find the value of variable. Now dear, exercise 4.4. It is very important exercise also. Here it is a little bit different from the exercise 4.3. Okay dear, but it is like exercise 4.2 and 1, but a little bit different. Okay dear. So look at, set up equations and solve them to find the unknown number. What is unknown number? Unknown number is a number which we don't know dear. So look at set up equation. So we have to make an equation. Okay dear. Then add 4 2. देखो, look at add 4 to 8 times mean multiply a number, you get 60. It's very simple dear. If I say you add 4 to 8 times of m, 8 times of m, add 4, add 4 to whom, 8 times of n, you get 60. It is your answer. But dear, we don't know whose 8 times we have to taken. 8 times whose? A number. A number we don't know. And whenever dear, in any question we don't know any number, so we will, what we will write? Always in solution. So we will write add 4 to 8 times a number. So we write let unknown number is, let an unknown number is, what is? X. Any variable you can take dear. Variable mean whose value is not fixed. X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, any number you can take dear. Now we will write according to question. So we will write add 4. So we will write add 4 to 8 times, add 4 to 8 times of n number. What is of x is, you get how much is 60 dear. So write add 4 mean addition for whom, 8 times of, times mean 8 times of x dear, and you get mean is equal to 60 dear. Understand? So it is your answer, and we have to find their number also. What is unknown number? What is unknown number? Unknown number is their x dear. Now how will you solve it? Can you solve now? Yes dear, it is become like a exercise, like the questions of exercise 4.3. What we want to find? X value we want to find. If you want to find x, so we have to remove 4 also, 8 also dear. Can we remove like this one? No. Okay, it is wrong. Remove means we will change the position of 4 and 8. And everyone know positive another side always negative. Always one thing is remember, whenever bracket is not given in any question, if only multiplication, division, subtraction, multiplication and any other numbers are given, then what we have to do? We have to do dear, first we will remove positive number. What is positive? Positive is 4. How can you remove? You can write adding. What you can write? You can write subtract both sides 4. 8x plus 4 minus 4. 60 minus 4. Or dear, you can write transposing 4 on right hand side. You can write transposing 4 on right hand side. Transposing means dear, positive become negative, negative become negative, positive become negative, and negative become positive. So it is here 4 positive and the other side negative. 4 cancel 4. Look at here, 8x equal to 60 minus 4, 60. So you can write in place of adding or something, transposing. But in transposing you have to always remember positive become negative, negative become positive dear. Okay dear? Look at, now I am writing its answer here. Anyone you can use. Okay dear? 8x equal to 56. We want to find value of unknown number. So we have to remove 8. 8 here positive in addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. It is here in multiplication. And multiplication, how can we remove here? 8 cancel 8. So it means addition become negative. Positive become negative. Negative become positive. Multiplication become division. So you can write divide both sides by 8. 8x divide by 8. 50x. Okay dear? 8 cancel 8x. What I told you, multiplication another side. Divide. Look at, divide or not? 56 8 divide by 7. So what is your answer? What is unknown number? 7. You can verify your answer also. Add 4. Add 4 whom? To 8 times a number. What is number? Number is x. X is 7. 8 into 7, 56. 56 4 plus 4, 60 equal to 60. It means our answer is right here. Okay? You can verify your answer also. Maybe someone has answer come 2. X is 2. So 2 into 8, 16. 16 plus 4. 20. 20 equal to 16? No, it means our answer is wrong. So what we will do? You can verify also. Okay dear? Only you have to find unknown number dear. Okay dear? Please note down it dear. Now dear, B part. What is given? 1/5 of a number. Of a number. Minus 4 gives 3. Of a number. Do you know here any number? We don't know. Only difference in the exercise 4.3, 4.2 and 4.4 is here. Only in exercise 4.2 is given 2 times of m. But here is given 2 times of a number. This number we don't know. If whenever we don't know any number, what we will take it? Let number is how much? Any number. So you can take let number is, let unknown number you can write, let unknown number is how much? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, any variable you can take, but we are taking X. Okay dear? Now according to question, what is given? 1/5. 1/5 of a number. Of whose? Of X minus 4 is 3. It is given or not? 1/5 of a number. What is number? X. Of X minus 4 is 3. It's very simple dear. Of mean multiply. If I write 5 times of, times mean also multiply, of mean also multiply. 5 of 3, 5 of x. So it is of mean multiply. Same as it is 1/5. 1/5 mean 1 is out of 5. 2/5, 2 is out of 5. 7/8. 7/8 means 7 is out of 8. So same as it is 1/5. 1/5 is 1 upon 5 of multiply x minus 4 equal to 3. 1 into x, x by 5 minus 4. Always remember dear, we can write like this one always. Don't be confused. X equal to 5 mean 1 by 5 into x, because x into 1, x by 7 by 8. We can write like this one. 1 upon 8 multiply by 7. 7 into 1, 7, 7 by 8. So don't be confused. Both are same dear. Okay dear? X by y, we can write 1 upon y multiply x. Okay dear? So don't be confused whenever anyone is write 1 by 5 and x. Okay dear? Now we want to find value of x. If we want to find value of unknown number, we have to remove minus 4 and 5. 4 is here subtraction and it is here division. So how can we? I told you always whenever bracket is not given, we will first remove addition for positive and negative number. Negative number on the other side, positive. So you can write transposing minus 4 on right hand side. You can write dear transposing, or you can write adding both side 4. X by 5, 3. And when we transpose negative number, negative become positive. Positive become negative. Otherwise you can write adding both side 4. So 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 4, it is 0. Okay dear? Now look, I think in this exercise 4.4 only first you have to make equation, and after making equation it is same as it is exercise 4.3. Okay dear? X upon 5 equal to 7. Now what is remain? 5. 5 how can we remove? Whenever it is 5 divide in multiply, like this one or not? Divide is already, so therefore we have to multiply both sides by 5. So 5, like this one, we will 5 multiply x upon 5, 7 into 5. 5 cancel 5. Okay dear? So what is your answer? 35. What was this number? 35. You can verify. X divided by 5. X is 35. 35 divided by 5. 7. 7 minus 4. 3. Yes, our answer is right. Okay dear? Please note down it. Now we do next part. Now dear, C part. Look at. If take how much? 3/4 of a number. If you don't know number, let unknown number x and add 3 to it, I get 21. So 3/4 of a number is x. So 3/4 of mean multiply x and add 3 plus 3 is 21. Very simple dear. 3 into x, 3x divided by 4. It is meaning 3 by 4 of x plus 3. Yes, how can we remove? We want to find x. What I told, always we will remove positive. Subtract both sides minus 3. Or you can write transposing 3 on right hand side. Positive become negative. 21 minus 3. It is. Now it is remain. 3x by, yes dear, it is x into 3 upon 4. If we want to remove 4, so what we will do? We will multiply by 4. And if you will if it is 3 by 4 or not, if you want to remove, so what we will do? We will multiply 4 upon 3 by 4 cancel 4, 3 cancel 3. That's why multiply both sides by 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 dear. Okay dear? So 4 upon 3, 4 upon 3. So 4 cancel 4, 3 cancel 3. 3, 6. So what is x equal to 24? It is same as it is exercise. This question is same as it is the questions of exercise 4.3 dear. Okay dear. And some students are thinking, sir, it is given 3/4 x equal to 21. I want to remove only first 3 because 3 is multiply. So divide both side 4/3. Divide or not? We divide. So 18/3. It is our right. 3 cancel 3. It is x/4 equal to 18/3. 18/3 mean 6. Now what is remain? It is remain. 4 is here. Divide. So we will x divide by 4. Multiply both side by 4 also. 4 cancel 4. What is x? X is 20. Both are right here, but I think it is easy one because here we apply only one step and here we have to use 2 steps. So it is better. Okay dear. So solve it here. Okay dear. Now dear, E part. D part you have to do yourself. Look at Monu subtract thrice the number of notebook. How many notebook? Thrice. So number of notebook. We don't know how many number of notebook. He has 50. Monu has how many notebook? 50. He find the result to be 8. Monu subtract thrice mean 3 times of the number of notebook. The number of notebook we don't know. So first we will write let number of notebook is x. Whatever in the question we don't know dear, whatever we want to find, we will let it is x. Okay, let number of notebook is x. Now what is given? Subtract thrice the number of notebook. Subtract I forgot. Subtract thrice the number of notebook from 50. What I look at, if I say you subtract 5 from x, so we will write like this one or not? X minus 5, same as it is. Subtract thrice of number books. Thrice of mean notebook. And notebook he has from. We have to subtract from how many books? So how many total books? 50 minus 3x. Don't write here 3x minus 50. It is meaning 50 subtracted from. But in question is given number of notebook. Thrice the number of notebook subtracted from 50. So 50 minus this one. Okay dear, don't write this. It is wrong. Okay dear. So thrice of number book subtract. So we subtract from 50. Result is 8. Look at dear. Now it is become 50 minus 3x equal to 8. Now look at dear. Where is duster? Look at. Now we want to find number of unknown number x. We want to find x. So we have to remove 50. 50 is here positive. So you can write subtract both sides. 50 how can you remove? Minus 50. Okay dear. You can write subtract it or transposing. Transposing 50 on right hand side. So it is minus 3x equal to 8. And positive another side, negative dear. Okay dear. Otherwise dear, you can do like this one also, no problem. It is 50. Subtract both sides 50. So 50 minus 50 minus 3x, 8 minus 50. 8 minus, subtract both sides. 50 minus 50. So it is minus 3x equal to 8 minus 50 dear. Okay dear. Now I am writing here. Look at minus 3x. One positive, one negative. Always we will subtract different sign. It is 42 and 50 minus 8, 42. And put sign greater. Greater is negative. Okay dear. Very simple. Look at here. We will observe that here minus 3 multiply x. And don't be think, sir, it is here negative and other side positive. Not dear. Minus 3 is here multiply. And multiply, how can we remove? By dividing by same number. What is here? So minus 3, because minus 3 cancel. Okay dear. So we will write divide both sides by minus 3. Okay dear, minus 3. Why? Because minus 3 is here multiply by x. And how can we remove? Minus 3. Okay dear. So look at minus 3 into x divide by minus 3. Minus 42 minus 3. Now look at dear. So always remember, you have to check it. Minus 3 is addition or subtraction. Like this one, 50 here, addition. But minus 3 is here multiplication. Okay dear. And everyone know, minus 3 divided by minus 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. And in division both are same sign, negative, negative. Always answer positive. So minus 3 cancel, minus. Always you can say that negative sign cancel to negative. Okay dear. X equal to 14 divided by 3, 14. And both are same sign. Put the positive sign. It is positive. Always remember, in division and multiplication, negative, negative cancelled. They will become positive. So how many number of books? 14. You can check it. 50 minus 3 multiply 14. 3 multiply 14. 42. 50 minus 42, 8. Yes, our answer is right. Okay dear. Please note down it now. Now dear, F part. When he thinks a number, a girl think a number. We don't know what is think. What she think? So let the girls think a number is how much? She think X. If she add 90 to it, so 90 adds to what number she think? Okay, what number? X. So X adds to 90. X plus 90. If she adds to 90 to it, adds and divide the sum. It is sum by 5. Whole sum we will divide. Don't write x by 5 plus 90. It means only x is divided by 5. But in question is given and divide the sum. How much sum? Sum is x plus 19 divided by 5. It's where they are different dear. Okay, this one and this one both are different. You can check it like this one. Like I am taking 6 plus 19. 6 plus 19 divided by 5. 6 plus 19, 25. 25 divided by 5, answer is 5. But if I write 6 by 5 plus 19, it is difficult. It is 1 point something and plus 19. 19 plus 1, 20. Here answer 20. Here is only 5. So it both are different dear. Okay, always you have to remember, whenever we divide the sum, we will divide whole. Okay dear, is 8. Okay dear, now it is become equation. Can you solve yourself? Yes. How to solve it? Now some students will, what is meaning? It is meaning dear, x divided by 5 also 19 divided by, you cannot do like this one. If first we will remove 19, 90 is positive, both sides subtract 19 not. Why dear? Why 5? It is cancelled, it is x by 5, it is minus. No dear, because dear, here 90 also divided by 5, x is also divided 5. Can I write it? It is, what is meaning? Whenever we use long sign, it is meaning x is divided by 5 and 19 divided by 5. Okay, so it's mean 19 by 5, remove another side. Here we remove only 19, but actually it is become x by 5 and 8. 19 by 5, here a positive number, another side negative. 19 by 5, but you write only 90. It is wrong dear. Okay dear, so always remember dear one thing. What is? Whenever there is a long division is given, we can remove this one only. It is meaning not 19, it is meaning 19 by 5. You can check it here. Yes, x by 5 plus 19 by 5. How to add? By taking LCM. 5x plus 19. So both are they are equal or not? Like this one. Okay dear. So please solve yourself. What you will do? You will do. It is a positive or not? It is not here multiplication. So x by 5, 8 minus 19 by 5. You will do like this one. You will write transposing 19 by 5 on right hand side. I am right direct. Okay. But you have to do with steps. Okay. You will write 19 by 5 transposing on right hand side. So x by 5. And these are fraction. Fraction, how will you solve it? By taking LCM. 8 mean 8 by 5. 4, not 40, it is only 5. 5 divided by 1. 5 into, otherwise if there is no denominator, you can multiply direct. 5 into 8, 40 minus 19. So x by 5 equal to, it will become 21 by 5. Okay dear. Now what we will do? X by 5, 21 by 5. It is here divide, multiply by 5 both sides. Please do yourself. Okay dear. X equal to 5 cancel 5. How much x? X is 21. Okay dear. Please note down it. Yes, question number G part. Only I will give you hint. You have to do yourself. What is given? Anwar thinks of a number. So let Anwar think a number x dear. If he takes away 7, takes away mean dear, subtract. He subtracts 7 from 5 upon 2 of the number. What is number? The Anwar thinks a number x. 5 by 2 of x minus 7 equal to 27. So you have to solve this one. So how to solve? 5x divided by 2 minus 7. Please solve it yourself. Okay dear. So first question we have already finished it. Okay dear. So thank you everyone. Have a good day and please solve the exercise. Thank you everyone.